Look, 54%, McKinsey did a study, okay? 54% of corporate executives that have over $1 billion, of companies of over $1 billion in sales, okay, and they polled, I think, 800 executives, are reshoring. They are bringing production back to the U.S. We see it in every business. Dow Chemicals bringing back. You see the ethylene. You mentioned the fracking earlier. This is reality. And it's not just to be closer to your end market, although that's certainly a value added. You're also seeing, the reality of you want better labor, you want easier manufacturing, you want better repair. One thing that we see absolutely in terms of being closer to where your end user is inventory control. I think for the first time in very recent memory, okay, management teams are including working capital and working capital maximization in their definition of free cash flow. We always have done it, right? But now, on calls, very explicitly, you see companies talk about maximization of working capital. You see CFOs and CEOs bonused on working capital maximization. That's something you really hadn't seen before. But it's indicative, it's a telltale sign. And if you think about that, if you are, let's say, a retailer as an example, you have to control your inventory. What are you going to do? You're going to push back on your supplier. Or push back. Let them hold the inventory or let them be just in time in terms of their manufacturing or delivery processes. All of those factors support this theory that you're seeing increased productivity and increased efficiency in U.S. manufacturing.